Hi friends, welcome to Kispot English YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a new Realme smartphone that has been launched in India. Well, Realme has also started following the launch of SE smartphones, and today we have the Realme 9 SE, which is the speed edition model as seen here. So let's take a look at the first impression and unboxing of this smartphone from here.
Now here we have the retail package of the Realme 9 SE, which is the speed edition. The good thing is that this SE model is upgraded and it has many advanced features unlike the other SE models out there from various other brands. Now let's take a look at the box. It has indicated the features such as a 144Hz refresh rate and also 30-watt dart charging support, and we have the Snapdragon 778 5G processor. Now let us unbox this package and we'll get to see what are the contents that are provided by Realme within this box. So first we have the package wherein we get the SIM ejector tool, and also we have some user manual, and we have the back case that is transparent to protect your device from scratches. Now moving on, we have the smartphone, which we'll take a look at later. Now we have the 30-watt dart charge support adapter and also the USB Type-C cable. Now keeping these aside, let's take a look at the smartphone. Now here we have the Realme 9 SE edition. Now taking a look at the smartphone, first we can see that there are slim bezels, and also we get to see that the display is a 6.6-inch panel and it has a 144Hz refresh rate, which is the massive fluid display that we have in the industry. Now taking a look at the other aspects of the design, we have a Type-C port and a speaker grill, and also the 3.5mm jack at the bottom. Now moving on to the sides, on the right we have the power button, which is also a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and we have the SIM card tray at the left. Now let's open the SIM card tray to know whether it has a dedicated microSD card slot. So as you can see, if I open, you can see that there are two SIM card slots and a microSD card slot which supports up to 1 terabyte of additional storage. Now the good thing is that both the SIM cards can support 5G networks. Now seeing at the rear of this device, there is a starlight design which is quite unique, and it is also smooth to hold. Apart from this, we have a triple camera setup which has a 48 megapixel primary sensor. Now we'll see more about the camera later. Now let's unlock the device and see what are the other aspects. So you can see that there's a punch hole camera at the top left corner, which is a 16 megapixel sensor. Now also we have the 6.6-inch Full HD display, and it is ultra smooth with 144Hz refresh rate, so you can play games very smoothly. Now there are some preloaded apps in this smartphone like the Daily Hunt, Josh, Snapchat and all these, and most of these apps are quite useful for many people. If you don't want any app, then you are free to uninstall it anytime. Now taking a look at the camera, we have a 48 megapixel primary sensor, and we have a black and white portrait lens and also a macro lens. Also, there are many useful modes such as text scanner, pro camera mode, and other aspects that we will see in a detailed review later. Now by default, it doesn't click 48 megapixel camera shots, but you can always choose the option to click 48 megapixel shots. Now moving on to the hardware aspects, the Realme 9 Speed Edition comes with a Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, as we already mentioned. Now this variant has 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and also you can expand the RAM up to 5GB with the virtual RAM support. Now there is a Realme UI on top, and there are some customizations accordingly. Also there is a 5000 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging support. Given that the adapter also supports the 30-watt dart charge, this smartphone can charge itself very quickly.
Thanks for watching the Realme 9 Speed Edition video. You can subscribe to our Gizbot YouTube channel if you haven't done before this, and you can also press on the notification icon so that you can get the notification for the new videos that we upload. Also, stay tuned to our Gizbot website for further details.